Hey, in the previous video I have discussed already how can you create simple custom template tag. Okay, this is your simple custom template tag, means this returns the total number of student. Okay, so go to the index.html and this is your simple custom template tag. Okay, so in this video I will show you how can you create the inclusion tag. Okay, this inclusion tag will return the name of the latest student, will return the name of the 4 latest student, 2 latest student, 3 latest student, whatever you want. Okay, so just pass the number. Okay, so just pass 4 and now here refresh it and you can see the 4 latest student name. Okay, so the latest student is Ronnie. Okay, so I just only grab the latest student name, so now just pass 1. Okay, so now save it. Okay, and now refresh it. You can see Ronnie is the latest student. Okay, this Ronnie, and this is your inclusion tag. Okay, so now pass the 2 and now save it and now refresh it. 2 latest student name here. Okay, here I just continue the previous video, so the total number of student is 4 and this is the simple tag. Okay, so this is the simple tag total stu. I just created it in the previous video, so just at first remove it and you can save it and now you can see it. Okay, so this is a very simple tag. Okay, and now go to post tags.py and here this our function and this returns the total number of student. Okay, so now in this video I will create the inclusion tag and it will return latest student name or last 2 student name or last 3 student name. Okay, so just at first type @register dot inclusion tag. Okay, so now pass the path of the HTML file. So here is the index.html. Okay, so now I will create another HTML file and name it latest.html. Okay, so now go to templates and here is index.html. Okay, so now create a file and name it latest.html. Okay, so just copy this name latest.html and now go to the templates and go to add file and now paste it latest.html. Okay, so now go to the template tags.py and just type the right path of your HTML file. Okay, this inclusion tag will return a HTML file. Okay, so now just create a function for showing the latest name of the student. Okay, so now type show underscore latest underscore name. Okay, and also pass a parameter, name it total and total equal 5. Okay, so I just pass a parameter name total. Okay, so now create a variable and this is last equal student dot objects dot order by and now type minus id, means order by reverse of id. Okay, so now use slashing and here just pass this total. Okay, so the total for this function, the default value of total is 5. Okay, so we can pass this value by the template tag. Okay, so now type return and then type a dictionary. Okay, so last, this is the key and the value is what, last last. Okay, and we can also grab the all value of last object by using a for loop in the HTML file. Okay, so now save it and now go to the latest.html. Okay, so I just copy all of this from here and now paste here. Okay, so at first you have to remove this load tag post and now just remove this also. Okay, and now remove this also. Okay, so now here inside the container we will create a for loop for grabbing the all object from this last. Okay, so now our Django variable is last. Okay, so now here just create a for loop inside the latest.html. So just type for x in last. Last is what? Last is this. Okay, this and this. Now just end this for tag at first end for, and now inside the for loop we grab the all value from last. Okay, so just type x dot name. Okay, so I just want to grab the name of the student. Okay, so now save it and go to the index.html. Okay, so here I use this tag, means this inclusion tag, show latest name. Okay, so just go to index.html. here just create a p tag and just type latest name of students. Okay, so now use this inclusion tag. Okay, so what is your tag name? So just go to tag post tags.py and this is the tag name, so latest name, and now copy this and paste here. Okay, and now the pass the number. Okay, so the pass the number is 3, and what is this number? 3, and this is this total. Okay, so here we just define total equal to 5. Okay, so also you can pass this number 3. Okay, so at first I just remove this. Okay, now save it. Okay, now run the server and just refresh. Okay, so you can see the latest name of students, John, Mike, Moni, Debu. Okay, so there is the 4 student. Okay, so now go to the latest.html. here just remove this second bracket and now save it, and now here just use the href tag. Okay, so now save it and now refresh here. So you can see the latest name of student Debu, Moni, Mike and John. So now go to the admin and create 2 more student. Okay, so now type GUPI and the school is PQS school, and now save it, and now type Ronnie, and now school is BTBS High School, and now save it. Okay, and now run the localhost and you can see the total 5 number of student here because you pass the 5 here. Okay, so the default value of the total is 5. Okay, so now you can change this value. So here with this template tag just pass the number what you want. So now save it. Okay, so just here refresh it. Okay, you can see the 3 number of student. Okay, Ronnie, Guppy and Debu. Okay, these all are latest student name. Okay, you can see this. And now change these 3 to 4. Okay, this means inside this function the value of total is 4. Okay, so now just save it at first. Go to index.html and save it, and now refresh it. Okay, you can see the total 4 students name here. Okay, so in this way you can create the inclusion tag. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and you can check the blog about that. So I just put this link in the description box, so just check it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Here you can learn a lot more.